Hey guys, what's up?
Hi.
Yeah, so welcome back to our channel. Yeah, so today we will be giving you a brief house tour, our Airbnb investment property in Portmore, St. Catherine.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we've been getting a lot of messages, people, subscribers asking us to give them a house tour. So we'll be doing just that today. If you are new to our channel,
Please
please
consider
consider
subscribing.
subscribing. Yes, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when we make another post again. And of course, hit the like button if you like our content. Here we go.
Welcome inside, guys. This is the living room area, seating area, nice and comfortable. This is the television or entertainment area, of course. Television boxes, both cable and internet boxes, and the remote that controls them. And yeah, oh guys, there will be a link to our Airbnb property in the description below. Tropical vacay, so don't forget to use us if you do intend to visit Jamaica. Stop by here. All right.
Oh, you like that? Alright, so this is actually a little piece that we got from Key West, Florida, not too long ago. We saw it and so we would have added to Airbnb, so we did just that. Yes. So this is the kitchen area.
Yeah.
Alright, we have all the necessary things that you will need to prepare a meal.
Yeah.
Right?
So we have our microwave right here. Coasters. We have our cupboard to hold all the food items of our guests. Our welcome basket, which is currently empty because we have no guests. We have a stove with oven, so basically our guests can can cook any meal that they like. We have all of our cutleries right here, so we have our silverware and utensils right there. Right here we have our pots in this cupboard right there. We have our dish drainer, our coffee maker, and our dinnerware.
Yes.
Right here, dinnerware.
Yes. Great. And our refrigerator, very important.
Yes.
Empty right now. Empty right now.
You should also show them their freezer there.
Yes, and there's a freezer as well. Yep. Yeah, man. On this side now.
So we have a small little closet here with all of our cleaning apparatus. So we have a mop bucket, broom. We also have an iron board, duster, and iron. So all of our cleaning stuff stored there.
Into the room now.
Yes.
Yes, this one.
So this is room number 1, or master room. This room boasts a
King size bed.
bedroom set. Is it visible?
Yeah.
So this room boasts a king size set. I love this set. It's nice and sturdy.
Yep.
So it gives for a really good look and good feel, good comfort. And our mattress is like, I love this mattress so much.
Yes, this bed is very comfortable.
Yes.
A lot of our reviews, the persons actually say how how nice the bed is, very comfortable.
And we actually went for that. So we ensured that we are putting a comfort in our beds. We wanted our beds to be comfortable. It's important to us, so we are sure that our guests will really appreciate that. So yes, the bed is comfortable.
And we provide towels.
Yes. White linen. We also have white linen as well.
White sheet. So this is just the comforter.
White linen.
And we have white linen as well, which is good.
We have a nice little lamp. I wish we could turn off the light and show you guys the lamp at night. It is so nice. So the oil lamp is great. We have a nice little ceiling fan that can...
And air conditioning and ceiling fan in this room, a closet.
Also would like to highlight what we have done. So throughout the property, we have just nicely, place some notices up so that our guests can know basically what we expect from them throughout their stay. Simple things like turning the lights off when you're not using it, turning off the AC, and keeping the doors closed.
Right. I just recently installed this door closer here. Right. So what it does is, it does that automatically. Right, it keeps the door closed for the guests whenever they're here.
This is the closet. So for the closet, it's really nice. Good space, so they can always use the closet area to organize their clothing while enjoying their stay.
Right.
So in between both rooms, we have the bathroom. So there's one bathroom that accompanies this property. Nice and comfortable, clean, and that's what we require when we use Airbnbs, right? We do have our air dryer, soaps, all the utensils that you need, warm water.
Hot and cold water is throughout the house.
Yeah.
We have hot and cold water throughout the house.
This is room number 2. So this is room number 2, guys. So this room has kind of a purple vibe going. I love it. I love those curtains. So this is a smaller bed set.
Of course, we have air conditioning in both rooms.
Yes.
And a closet in both rooms as well.
Yes, closet in both rooms as well. Similar to the one in the other room.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yes. So I guess that's it. Similar signing and the holder for the AC remote, like in the previous room.
Similar lighting as well.
Lighting fixture there.
Yeah.
Right. You guys can always have a chest of drawer if they want to unpack their items. They can do that.
Definitely.
All right. Yes, guys. So, of course, in our property, we have air conditioning in both rooms, TV, internet, cable. All right, and of course, this house
Water heater
as well. All right, this house is a 2-bedroom, self-contained house. All right, it's a private space.
Yes.
All right, and of course, the main feature of our property is to give that home feeling. You're at your house in Jamaica. All right, not a hotel kind of vibe. More laid back, home feel.
Yeah.
Right. The Portmore community is actually
our Airbnb property was designed to accommodate 4 persons. We offer air condition, water heater, internet, Wi-Fi, cable, TV. Right. So you'd have a private space. So there are no areas of our property that will be shared. So it's private, completely private. And of course, we wanted to go for our home vibe, home feel. So when you come to our property, you are basically at home. Right. Our property is actually located in a gated community in Portmore. Yeah. Right. Very accessible. And of course, the Portmore community itself, we have the Helsha Beach. Right, we have our tax office, we have our movie theater, we have a lot of amenities in Portmore. Yes. Right. Also, our mall. So we basically have surrounding this property, entertainment. We have offices that you can go to get your business done. So you can literally stay in Portmore and not leave. But if you do want to leave, we are about 15 minutes from Kingston. Right. The highway, we have a highway that leads to two highways that leads to Kingston. That will get you there in about 15 to 10 minutes. So we are not far from Kingston at all, which makes us pretty ideal pretty ideal for persons who are coming to Jamaica. Most of the persons who utilize our Airbnb are actually Jamaicans.
Returning yes.
Residents. So they are coming to visit, and they want their own private space. They want to be comfortable while they're visiting. So we are pretty close to Kingston, and they love that. Just like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, depending on the time of day that you're traveling from Kingston, and you can get all of your business done. And if you're looking to go out of town to Mobay, Ochi, to go to the tourist capitals of Jamaica, we are so close to the highway that the end of Portmore is literally the beginning of those highways.
Yeah, so feel free to, welcome your overseas relatives if you are living in Jamaica, or if you are overseas and you want to experience Jamaica from a home feeling, a home kind of vibes, then definitely you should visit our property is actually called Tropical Vacay, so you can definitely come down and check it out. Alright, and thanks for joining us. Please hit the like button if you liked our content, and of course you can definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified when we push out other contents.
And any other question that you'd like to ask, any information about Airbnb, hit us up in the comment section. We'll be so happy to answer your questions.
Alright, thank you.
Bye.
Peace out.
Bye.